Every company has its heroes, the ones who hold all the knowledge in their memory, all the experience at their fingertips.
But what happens when those heroes leave? His replacement, Serena, was ready to take on the challenge until the company's best-selling product needed to be remanufactured immediately. But one key detail was missing. Serena couldn't find the t-shirt's perfect fit measurement chart anywhere.
As a last resort, she called the supplier, only to learn the person who was following the measurement chart is on sick leave for a month.
They couldn't wait a month. It was urgent, and there was no guarantee the person would return. Their repeat orders faced a serious risk of production errors. This felt like a nightmare.
Just when they thought the order was doomed, Sarah, a former supplier, walked in. To their surprise, her company had made that very t-shirt for them before, and she had the measurement chart they so desperately needed.
It was unbelievable. How had Sarah done it so easily? Meet Pronize.com. Sarah typed the product's name, and with one click, its entire history appeared. Every revision, approval, and detail, secure and accessible.
With Pronize, you'll never lose your data. End dependency. Make knowledge your asset, not your risk.
Pronize.com